Welcome back to Foldra Adventure Crew. My name is Voss, and today is a little different video. I'm getting ready to go to King of the Hammers 2024, and this is my RV that me and my business partner got about 3 years ago. I put like 9,000 miles on this vehicle, and now that I'm going to be going out in the desert, I realized that my lights are pretty bad on here. The regular lights in here are regular bulbs, and I don't have much of fog lights. So there's been company reaching out to me for a while, which is Novasite, and they offer some good products. So I decided to give it a shot and get some headlights for the RV and some fog lights. So they sent me the bulbs for the headlights, the OEM replacement with LED, the bright lights. So I put them in last night, and they look pretty good. They're a lot brighter. I'll see what they are on the road as soon as we get out, but right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing some fog lights into the opening here, because there's a big opening and I need some fog lights, because driving on the long distance roads on some windy country roads without fog lights kind of sucks. So we're going to unbox their product and try to fit it in here, see where it fits better. I have two pairs of fog light and yellow beam or white beam, depends on how you want to do it, like a driving light. So we're going to try to fit them in here somehow and get it going. So we got some 3-inch pod lights. They come in these cool packages, and there's a full description of what this bulb is all about. There's some stickers here, and that's what they look like. The little triangle with the lens that comes off. The whole wiring harness is here for everything that you would need. So we're gonna try to fit it in here and make them look good, because I need some fog lights. So I kind of laid out the fog lights, and that's what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna use tape measure to kind of space them out properly. But these right here, if you look at this lens, it is a spot beam. This is a fog beam, as you can see the little lines in there, so it's a scattered beam, same as this, and then spot beam. So I'll have these separate when I need more farther shot, and that's how it's going to look like. So it looks pretty cool. They do have a angel eye halo around them, so, and that's what this brand, this is their halo series of the pod lights. So as soon as we wire up, I'll turn it on tonight and show you what it looks like. But the wires are pretty decent. They are using Dutch connectors, or Deutsch, and it has wires to wire up your halo to your running lights. So when you're turning on your running lights, you able to wire it straight to those wires, and they will have a halo automatically when you have your running lights on. So to mount things in this RV, I have like a 2-inch drop from where it needs to be. So I found a piece of pipe in the backyard, and I drilled and tapped for the M6 thread. Come on, focus. And that's how we're gonna mount it. And then I have a couple of holes in here that we're going to mount the bar to. So basically just trying to make it as simple as I can without drilling through this chrome bumper. So we just want to have them sit behind the bumper. In case of anything, it'll be protected by the bumper. Well, I got it all wired up, and this is what it looks like with running lights of the vehicle. So we have the halos over all the lights, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So here I'm going to turn on the headlights. You'll see how bright the whites are. Boom. Now we're going to go fog lights and spotlights. So now it's gonna be nice to drive, because this whole thing is now lit up properly. but we'll take some better shots when we're out in the desert. Alright, next thing is I gotta get my Jeep ready and hook it up to the RV, get it ready for rolling out. So we're getting ready to roll out, but this is my setup. So I have my RV, it's a 26 footer, and I have my Jeep flat towed behind with all my safety chains and all my lights in the back here. And for the past few years I already put in about 7,000 miles towing my Jeep like that around, so it's been working out great. I have the Falcon 2 tow bar, and it's fully tilted and everything, and I made an adapter over here that bolts in with the 5/8 bolts, which is sturdy enough, and safety chains are hooked up to the bumper itself, so that way it's not attached to the same bar that it is attached to the tow bar. So if anything breaks, should be good to go. And what we did is we built this custom 12-inch riser, so that way my bar is always in the same level with the Jeep. So because you do not want to tow your tow bar to be pointing down, because your Jeep will run it over and rear end your own RV. So works great. Let's hit the road. Well, we finally made it to King of the Hammers 2024. We left yesterday, which is Monday, around 6 p.m. We drove the highway and Highway 5. Took a little break along the Highway 5 and woke up this morning around 5 a.m. and continued on. And we made it here, set up everything, 1 p.m. on Tuesday. So as you guys seeing it, we just pulled up here and got stuck a few times, but it's not bad. So we're just gonna be setting it up, probably have lunch and go exploring the town, because last year we only had 2 or 3 days. This year we have 4 days to do it, so we're gonna try to do it. There's plenty of people everywhere, so we're gonna try to see as much as we can that we did not see last year. So stay tuned. We'll be doing updates via shorts as much as we can on YouTube and Facebook. So check them out and have fun. We'll get out there and get you some good shots of cool vehicles, cool things to do out here at King of the Hammers if you've never been here. This is our 2nd year, so now we're a little bit more prepared than we were last year. So let's get going. So we are camping next to Turkey Claw. There's barely any people on this side of the hill, but because it might be raining on Thursday, I don't want to be down in the lake bed, because that's going to be where the mud puddle is going to be big time. So we're out here on the hill, away from all the partying, because we're not partying people. We're just going to chillax. We have 2 vehicles this time. We have my crew chief, the XJ, and we have a Can-Am
Maverick that we're gonna be exploring. We got 4 guys total here, so should be plenty of adventure for us here. And big shout out to Novsite for providing us with awesome LED bulbs for this machine and those awesome fog lights, because driving at night was pretty tough, and having all those awesome bright lights helped a ton, you know, to be able to see anything that's laying on the side of the road, because when you're driving a 26 footer when you're towing, if you spot something too late, you're gonna hit it or swerve around or whatever, so it's dangerous. So big shout out to Novsite for awesome lighting. We'll test out the fog lights more probably on the Jeep. I'll probably move a set on the sides of the windows. We'll have them as ditch lights, because a couple of them are spotlights, so we'll see how good they're gonna do. So we'll move that probably later on, but for now they're gonna be on the RV, and we're gonna see how good they shine through the desert here at night. So we'll see. Well, here we are, King of the Hammers 2024. This is Tuesday, January 30th, and we had some fun today. We went out and played around, explored the town, kind of wanted to see what's there this year so we can show you guys more in detail when we go back out there tomorrow and day after. So we have plenty of things that we're going to be doing here, but I'm losing my voice a little bit and getting I got sick a couple days ago, so it's just being a bit annoying. RV now is great with Novsite LED lights, amazing. I honestly like this product, so I'll leave you guys link down below so you guys can check them out and get yourself some good lights if you need them. But we'll go out there tomorrow again and check it out. So we'll be posting more videos as we go out and do stuff. Full episodes will be coming out weekly, but the shorts, they'll be coming out probably daily, maybe even multi time a day, depending when we're gonna find some cool stuff. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next episode of this adventure.